If these pieces have come apart, you can put them back together and it'd be completely functional, assuming there's no cracks in any of the plastic pieces. So to start, take your LED heatsink assembly and take this retainer ring off. Next, on your smaller casting, completely extend the tilting adjustment. This makes it easier to fit this into this slot here. So kind of hold these at a bit of an angle, makes it a little bit easier. And snap that into the tilting mechanism. And then there's these little clips here, so attach both of those. And then this will be at an angle since this is fully extended. And then on the heatsink, there are these slots for each of these go into. This flat piece here goes towards the back of the fixture. So just reattach this ring like so. And then all you have to do is take your tilting screw and tilt that back.